Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that can absolutely transform your freelance career sales copywriting. If you're looking to land high-ticket clients and work with major brands, mastering this skill is essential. I'll be walking you through the best practices for writing copy that drives conversions, whether you're creating ads, landing pages, emails, or any other type of persuasive copy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have actionable strategies to start implementing right away. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video helpful. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more high-value content like this. Now, let's get started. What is sales copywriting? Sales copywriting is far more than just writing descriptive text. It is the art and science of strategic communication focused solely on driving a specific, measurable action. We call that a conversion. Unlike general articles or blog posts meant for information or entertainment, every single word in sales copy, from the headline down to the final call to action, is engineered with the clear goal of moving the audience forward. This could be anything from getting someone to click a link, fill out a lead form, sign up for a webinar, or ultimately make a high-value purchase. For those of you targeting major brands, remember that the underlying principles are universal. You must ethically tap into your audience's core emotions, deeply understand and articulate their existing pain points, and then seamlessly guide them toward making a decision that is a clear benefit to them. The ultimate goal is persuasion that feels natural, helpful, and authentic, positioning the product or service as the logical, ideal solution. Understanding your target audience, the foundational step, the one you can never skip, is achieving a deep, almost empathetic understanding of your target audience. You simply cannot persuade someone effectively if you don't know their current state, their aspirations, and the obstacles currently blocking their path. This necessitates in-depth research that goes far beyond basic demographics. You need to immerse yourself in their world, read their forum comments, look at the questions they ask on social media, and read the reviews they leave for competing products. Ask yourself, what are their immediate, surface-level pain points, and what are their deeper, emotional desires? What fears or doubts keep them awake at night? By truly internalizing their mindset, you can craft copy that uses their exact language and speaks directly to their needs. For example, copy aimed at a luxury market might use aspirational language centered on exclusivity and status, while copy for a value-driven, budget-friendly service should focus on tangible ROI, efficiency, and affordability. Crafting a compelling headline, your headline is, effectively, the gatekeeper to the rest of your persuasive message. Since studies show you have only a few fleeting seconds, often less than 5, to capture a reader's attention before they move on, your headline must immediately deliver immense value or spark undeniable curiosity. A great headline acts as a powerful promise. It either clearly promises a specific benefit the reader desperately wants or addresses a deep problem they need solved. A critical mistake many make is sacrificing honesty for flashiness. While a headline like "How I Made $100,000 in 30 Days" might get a click, it often fails to build trust. Instead, focus on truthful, specific, and hyper-relevant benefits. A much stronger approach is, unlock proven strategies to scale your business to 6 figures in 90 days without hiring an expensive team. Specificity, relevance to the audience's stated desire, and a clear promise of value are the true hallmarks of a high-converting headline. The power of storytelling, one of the most effective tools for building rapid connection and trust, is storytelling. Humans are inherently wired to engage with and remember narratives far better than dry lists of facts or features. Stories allow your audience to bypass the logical, analytical part of their brain and engage emotionally with your product or service. This process of emotional transference is what converts skepticism into belief. For instance, if you are copywriting for a productivity app, instead of listing its features, share a relatable story, the struggle of a customer overwhelmed by their to-do list, the problem, their frustration with current solutions, the moment they discovered your app the solution, and the resulting calmness and success they achieved the result. A powerful sales story typically follows a clear arc. The beginning sets the stage with a deep-seated problem, the middle details the journey and the discovery of the solution, and the end powerfully showcases the successful transformation experienced by the user. Highlighting the benefits, not just features. A fundamental rule of high-conversion copy is to always focus on benefits over mere features. Features are simply the raw technical specifications of the product, its physical attributes, size, color, or processing speed. While a client needs to know those things exist, they don't buy them for their own sake. They buy what those features do for them. You must constantly ask, so what, for every feature you list. For example, instead of stating a feature like, "This vacuum cleaner has an advanced HEPA filtration system," you must translate that into a benefit. Breathe cleaner, allergy-free air, and protect your family's health with our certified HEPA filtration system. When you consciously shift your language to focus on the positive, improved outcome, the customer will experience more time, less stress, higher profits, better health. You create an emotional connection that makes the purchase decision inevitable. The critical role of clarity over cleverness. A mistake often made by new copywriters is trying too hard to be witty, smart, or clever in their writing. In sales copy, clarity always trumps cleverness. A joke or a stylized piece of phrasing that takes a reader even 2 extra seconds to fully process is a distraction, and distractions kill conversions. Your audience should be able to instantly understand what you are selling, what problem it solves, and why they should buy it right now. Use simple, direct, and familiar language. If a 5th grader wouldn't easily understand the core message, you need to simplify it. When writing high-ticket proposals or landing pages, ensure the offer, the price, and the next step are immediately clear. An obvious message always converts better than a nuanced one, even if the latter is more aesthetically pleasing. Leveraging scarcity and urgency to drive action. Psychologically, humans are more motivated by the fear of missing out than by the promise of gaining something. High-converting copy expertly leverages the principles of scarcity and urgency to overcome consumer inertia, the tendency to delay a decision. Scarcity is based on quantity. For example, only 10 spots left in this exclusive coaching group, or sale limited to the first 50 customers. This appeals to the desire for exclusivity and fear of not getting access. Urgency is based on time. For example, offer expires at midnight tonight, or free bonus available for the next 72 hours only. It forces immediate action. When you strategically integrate genuine, truthful elements of scarcity, limited inventory, and urgency at deadline, you provide a powerful, external motivation for the reader to stop procrastinating and click the call to action button immediately. Crafting a persuasive call to action (CTA). Once you have successfully captured their attention, built trust, and presented the overwhelming benefits, the final, non-negotiable step is to guide them with a persuasive call to action (CTA). The CTA is your single, direct instruction to the audience. It must be clear, benefit-oriented, and impossible to miss. Crucially, avoid vague, low-commitment language like "learn more" or "check it out." Instead, use strong, action-oriented verbs that reinforce the value they are about to receive. Examples include: secure your 50% discount now, download the free 7-day profit plan, or schedule your high-ticket strategy session. Your CTA is the pivot point of your entire copy. Make sure it clearly and compellingly tells your audience exactly what to do next to get the positive outcome you've promised. Using testimonials and social proof in the digital world. Social proof is non-negotiable, and it acts as third-party validation that dramatically lowers the reader's skepticism. People inherently trust the opinions of other customers more than they trust the brand's own claims. Testimonials, reviews, and case studies are your evidence. When selecting testimonials, prioritize specificity and depth. A weak testimonial is, "This product is great." A powerful, high-converting testimonial is, "Since using this service, we've cut our customer acquisition costs by 30% and increased our monthly revenue by $15,000. Furthermore, consider using full case studies." These show the transformation arc, the customer's initial problem, the implementation of your product, service, and the precise, measurable results, highlighting success of real people who were once in the same position as your potential customers. Testing and optimization. Writing the copy is only the beginning. True mastery of sales copywriting is an ongoing process of testing and optimization. Never assume your first draft is your best. The most elite copywriters know that success lies in relentless A/B testing, comparing to versions of an element like a headline, a CTA button color, or a specific price point to see which one converts better with your live audience. You need to gather data to understand why one version outperformed the other. By continually testing and refining your headlines, your offer language, and your CTAs, you stop guessing and start building a reliable, high-converting sales machine that improves your results incrementally over time. Wrapping up in conclusion, high-converting sales copywriting is a mastery that requires practice, but by applying these principles, deep audience understanding, powerful, benefit-driven headlines, emotional storytelling, clarity, strategic use of urgency, and constant testing, you can quickly set yourself apart from the competition. This approach will not only boost your clients' conversions, but also position you to attract those coveted high-ticket clients and major brand contracts for your own freelance business. I hope you found this expanded tutorial incredibly helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need clarification on any part of the tutorial, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to create a follow-up video to answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to Passive Rise for more tips, tutorials, and strategies to boost your freelance career. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.